In this tutorial, we will explore the JavaScript switch statement, learn how to handle multiple specific choices in code efficiently, and compare switch with multiple if and else if statements. Here we have a variable day which is set to Monday. In the switch statement, we are checking the value of day. If it's Monday, it will print start of the work week; if it's Friday, it will print end of the work week; and for any other day, it will print just another day. The break keyword is used to prevent the code from automatically executing the next case's statement. As you can see, since the variable day was set to Monday, our output is start of the work week. Now, let's compare this to using multiple if and else if statements. Here we have the same logic, but implemented using if and else if statements. As you can see, the switch statement is cleaner and easier to read when we have multiple specific cases to check. The output is the same as the switch statement because the logic is the same. However, the switch statement is more efficient when dealing with multiple specific cases. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand the switch statement in JavaScript and how it can make your code cleaner and more efficient. Happy coding!